Did you know सिंधी कड़ी में कर्ड नहीं होती? Hey guys, welcome to yet another cooking episode in my channel. Today we are going to cook a very famous Sindhi dish, Sindhi curry. It's a besan based curry unlike Punjabi curry जिसमें curd base होता है. Sindhi curry is apparently very healthy because loads of veggies goes into it. So let's start prepping for it, and before I start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, for your convenience, I'll list down all the ingredients required for this dish. We will start by cutting all the vegetables. First, I'm taking this drumstick. I'll just peel off the skin as much as I can because the skin is really hard. इसका साइज मैं इतना ही रखूँगी. Next I'll do the potato, peel off the skin, and this is a medium sized potato. I'll cut it into 4 pieces. By the way, vegetables are totally customizable. You can add whatever you like. I'll slit the bhindi from middle. So now all the vegetables are ready. It's time to prepare the base. So heat some oil in a pan. Once the oil is heated, we will add all these. We will add 1/4 teaspoon hing as in asafoetida, half teaspoon jeera, cumin seed, half teaspoon mustard seed, rai, half teaspoon fenugreek seed, methi dana. You know what? I have never used asafoetida or fenugreek seed. Thanks to the lockdown, I'm learning about new spices, new condiments. Hopefully this will turn out good. Okay, we will let it splutter and then add some turmeric. And now the main ingredient, besan. We need to fry it on oil for some time so that the raw smell of besan will go away. At this point, we will add some water and stir it continuously because we don't want any lumps. Do not leave it unattended even for a while at this point. Add some more water and stir it like that for some more time. To make it look more colorful, we will add some red chili powder. Wow, now look at this. अभी तो मुझे believe नहीं हो रहा है कि ये मैं बना रही हूँ. Wow. This looks like some delicious chutney. I really don't want to add water to this, but we have to add water, and we will let it cook for some time. Curry is supposed to be little sour, so to add that tanginess we have tamarind chutney and tomato puree. So it's time to add the veggies into the gravy. Only potato and drumstick, the bhindi and bengan we will fry it separately. We'll add some more salt to this. By the way, the more you cook this, the tastier it becomes. Add tomato puree to this. Now we can leave it like this in a low flame and make sure to cover the lid. Meanwhile, let's fry the bhindi and brinjal. Oops, I missed to cut this one. It doesn't take a lot of time to cook. As you can see, it's almost fried. So now I'm just waiting for the potato and drumstick to cook properly. That's actually taking a lot of time. So now I'm going to drop all these sauteed bhindi and brinjal. I had already added the tomato puree in the beginning, so now it's almost all cooked. I mean, all the vegetables are cooked. So now I am going to add this tamarind chutney. Adding a spoonful of tamarind chutney. So this is going to give us that sourness. Now we'll just let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Then we should be good to go. Good to eat. It's a balance of flavors with the goodness of veggies. It's ready, guys, and it looks so delicious. But ये सांबर जैसे नहीं दिख रहा है. Smells really good. It's a comfort food, goes really well with rice, so that's what I'm gonna have today. Taking some rice and some curry over it. But it's tasty. I mean, all the flavors are coming through really well. I love the tanginess in this. Okay, I'm gonna bath this with the gravy. And guys, if you have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do them for you guys. Okay guys, I am done. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye. I'll see you next time.